Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there is a box A, and in this box A there is either a red, green or blue ball. So I'm going to just indicate here box A. In this box here there's either a red ball, a green ball or a blue ball. Now there's another box, box B, that only has red and blue ball. So there's another box B, only have one red and one blue ball. So I'm going to just circle them so that visually you can see that they are really balls. Okay, and I'm going to translate it to a tree diagram here, where there are three possible outcomes when I draw a ball from box A. It's either red, green or blue. As for box B, right, there's either a red or a blue ball. So meaning this particular outcome means that the first ball is red, the second ball is red as well. So I'm going to just list out the possible outcomes so that it's easy for us to read later on. This means that the first ball is red, the second ball is red. So if I continue, this means that the first ball that I've drawn out is red, the second ball is blue. And as I continue, this means that the first ball that I gotten out from box A is green, the second ball is red. If I continue this branch, it is green ball first, followed by blue ball. And this will be, first ball is blue, second ball is red, and first ball is blue, second ball is blue. Do also indicate the legend down there so that people know what does all this R, B and G represents in your probability in your tree diagram. And we are ready to find B part 1. Find the probability that both of the balls are red. Total number of outcomes, 6, of which 1 out of 6 outcomes where the probability is both red, 1 over 6. Both green, well, this is not possible, so the only answer is 0. 0 over 6. It is an impossible event, okay? Probability that both is same color, I will have then red and red, blue and blue, so it's 2 out of 6. So final answer would be 1 over 3. Both of different colors. Well, for this particular last part, we can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4 out of 6, which is equals to 2 over 3. Or, do take note, same colors and different colors in this case are complementary to events, which means that there is a second method which I wish to share with you. The second method is simply 1 minus the probability that both is same color. So this will be equals to 1 minus, where's the probability that they are the same color? We've gotten that in part B, 1/3. And you will see that it will give me the same answer. Okay, so that's the second method that I wish to share with everyone. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.